Daawwitiin haasaa barsiiftota keenya bu'aalee barnootaa jabeessinee himna. Burqaalee beekumsaa yoom galatoonfanna isaanumaan boonna. Barsiisa barumsaa kaayyoo hawaasaa jireenya golbaa namarraa ibsaa. Abdii muratii jabaatu barsiisaa jedhamni kennummoo seenaa beeksisoonsaa. Abdii muratii jabaatu barsiisaa jedhamni kennummoo seenaa beeksisoonsaa. Hello everyone, I'm Shamsadi Yasin. I'm going to discuss and teach you some concepts of microeconomics. Title is Theory of Consumer Behavior and Demand. Let me see together. Welcome attention to me. The theory of consumer choice based on the assumption of the consumer being rational to maximize level of satisfaction. A consumer takes choice by comparing bundles of the good. Consumer preference and choice. In this section, we will see how consumers allocate their limited income among different numbers of goods and services. Moreover, you will learn how consumers allocate decision determining quantity, demand of goods and services. From this, we can see some main points. In order to allocate or determine or decide the quantity demand of good and service, the first one is consumer, let we see, consumer preference. Consumer preference is if a given any two consumption bundle of a good or group of goods available for purchase, how a consumer compares the goods, how a consumer compares the goods. We can see it in four main ways. The first one is strong preference. When two things are available and the consumer are going to select or choose or decide to buy or to purchase the goods, the consumer can decide it. Strongly preference means he choose A bundle of the goods than that of B. This is called a strong preference. The next one is weak preference. Weak preference is when two things are available to consume or indifferent between the two commodity bundle of the goods X and Y, while A goods or bundle is greater than Y, the consumer is not equally satisfied from X and Y. He selects Y, X, but in weak preference, bundle of X is equal to or greater than or less than or equal to that of quantity Y. The consumer satisfied from X than that of Y, or can satisfy from both of two. And then when the alternative or the chances of buying two things are equal, or one can succeed other, this is called weak preference. Transitive is when three things are compared and then A is greater than B is greater than C, A also greater than C. This is called transitive preference. More is the better than less. This is the fourth one. Human being or the consumer select or choose the good things than what that of the bad, or prefer the more than less. This is more is better than good is one of the previous or preference or satisfaction taken for what that of the consumer. This kind of preference is called more is better than less. Everybody, thank you for listening to me. Good, have a good day. Goodbye.